What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. We have some bullish Pepe news coming for you today. As many believe, a breakout is confirmed. They're comparing the Pepe chart, which is the most famous meme point in 2023, to the Shiba Inu chart of 2021. And why many do believe an all-time high is incoming. My name is Quechual and I help teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. If you're part of the Pepe community, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment below. Guys, I read through all comments and also consider subscribing to the channel. But first off, guys, happy 6/9th day. Pepe always with it with memes. Good morning and happy June 9th. Huge news here, guys, that not a lot of people are talking about. Pepe started less than 2 months ago and just hit 300,000 plus followers on Twitter. All organic, all real followers. Salute to the Pepe army, guys, and congrats on 300k. But like I said, Pepe is up 7% on the day. It was just up 7% of the day, sitting at a $488.96. Almost $489 million market. Now, like I said, a lot of people do believe a Pepe breakout is imminent, and the reason why, when you're looking at this chart, guys, obviously launched on April 19th, shot up to a $1.6 billion markup, has been consolidating since there. But if you've been in the meme point space, a lot of meme points are down 90 to 95%. Not Pepe, guys. Pepe is holding strong at a $400 million market, anywhere from $400 million to $600 million, which is incredibly bullish. Now I'm gonna pull up the Shiba Inu chart in just a second, guys, but you have to look at this since May 13th. So, almost about a month now, Pepe has been consolidating in this range. And why are consolidations bullish? Well, certain people are selling, but it's giving other people a chance to buy in. When you're looking at this long consolidation period, guys, the longer a token consolidates, the more people have a chance to enter, and the better chance it has to shoot up and go parabolic when the markets do correct. Now, keep a snapshot of this picture in your mind, right? We've had a nice pump, we dipped down, and we've been consolidating here in this range. Let's look at Shiba Inu back in 2021, right? We had this first major run-up back in May, dipped down quite a bit, dropped down more than Pepe, dropped down and consolidates from May until October before breaking all-time highs. Now, obviously, anything can happen in the crypto space, but because of the hype that Pepe has, because of the attention, because it's on every single centralized exchange except Coinbase, but on all the big ones, and because more exchanges are buying more Pepe every single day, it leads me with no other expectations but to be bullish on Pepe. Right. Just look at the Shiba Inu chart. I remember these days. It's very similar to where we were in Pepe. I was covering very closely on this channel, guys. A lot of people were leaving the community. Some people were saying it was dead. Obviously, Shiba still had a strong community, and so does Pepe. So Pepe consolidated in here. Let me just tell you one thing, guys. However, there is more to it than that. The very genesis of every successful meme coin is of course the meme. Pepe is one of the oldest internet memes, and it is likely the regulatory body has leveled an accusation against Ripple, proclaiming the firm's XRP sale as an unregistered securities transaction. Whenever social dominance hits high levels, it's a sign of euphoria among investors, which is something that has historically led to top formations for cryptocurrencies. Seeing it get down to the 1 to 2% range would be a good sign that traders are beginning to stray away and look for pumps from other altcoins. The firm explains. The active addresses metric, which measures the total number of unique addresses taking part in some transaction activity on the blockchain, also saw a spike just before the top. When this indicator has a high value, it means a large number of investors are making trades right now. The price generally becomes more likely to get volatile when the metric shows such a trend. From the chart, it's visible that the active addresses indicator has come down in value for Pepe in the last few days, which means that the market activity has calmed down. An interesting trend is also visible in the data for the supply of the largest Pepe coin holders, as the below graph displays. An interesting trend is also visible in the data for the supply of the largest Pepe coin holders, as the below graph displays. These humongous holders had been accumulating while the rally had been going on, but right as the top took form, they started shedding coins from their wallets. This cohort has continued to sell since then as Pepe value has gone downhill. Pepe community seethes with anger while the email has a disclaimer that dissociates the writer and does not necessarily reflect the views of Coinbase or its employees. A legion of fans and investors of the frog-themed meme coin were outraged at Coinbase's portrayal of their beloved token. Solidity developer and Pepe supporter Kenobi, for instance, astutely stated that the token is not a symbol of hate and that he would be transferring his crypto funds to Gemini Digital Asset Exchange. It truly was amazing, and now everyone else is looking to try and get involved. Pepe coin has even entered the top 10 most traded coins worldwide. We can't help but feel like this will turn into a case of being left with the check when everyone else has already left for those that are only getting involved with Pepe now. All over the crypto sites at the moment you can see articles saying Pepe will take over from SHIB, Pepe will break $1, and Pepe is going to pump again. Realistically, this is not the side any investor worth 2 cents should be on, and here's why. It's time to look for a new meme coin. The 7-day price chart for Pepe coin would indicate that it has just experienced a market correction. Many are expecting it to take off again, and some of the underlying trading numbers might indicate they are right. Its short-term trading average has now fallen below its long-term, so in general this would indicate that it is possible a pump could happen. From the chart, it's visible that the active addresses indicator has come down in value for Pepe in the last few days, which means that the market activity has calmed down. An interesting trend is also visible in the data for the supply of the largest Pepe coin holders, as the below graph displays. Data depicts that almost $10 million of the liquidation came out from Pepe coin in the last 24 hours. It is important to note that $6.8 million of the short positions, 68.61%, got liquidated amid the recent surge. This shows that traders were looking for more Pepe price decline. Pepe coin surprised the other top meme cryptos by surging more than 3,500% in the last 30 days. However, its price is up by over 50% in the past 24 hours. This of course did not turn out to be true, and the same situation is likely in store for Pepe. The hard truth is coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were on the decline anyway before Pepe came along. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.